So today we've got the CU ecology class visiting out at Clay Hill Memorial Forest. We're doing a population demography study here on the Clay Hill Pond, looking at the population of eastern red-spotted newts. So our students are going to be collecting the newts first, and then we're going to be getting set up so that we can record the data and have that data available for analysis for one of their required ecology lab reports. Well, we're trying to work with our equipment here to pull this through some of the pond to see if we can capture some of the red-spotted newts, trying to sample as many of the places we can access as possible. So these guys are going to come right on up through here. You guys make some room and then help them pull the net up on the edge of the bank here. Well, we're trying to process our newts right now, and they're escape artists, so our seine has a mesh that allows us to pull it through the water with all these plants physically getting from one side to the other, but the newts can also fit through there. So we're trying to be expeditious here and getting these newts out of the net for our data for the lab. So that's what the students are doing right now. Sorting through and sifting through some of the plant matter and debris, trying to avoid the tadpoles as much as we can. If we need to pull it up a little further towards dry land, guys, we can, and we can catch them crawling around before they get back in the water. Go ahead and stretch it out a little bit. Hold it just like this. We've got to get the debris out of the net when we get ready to take a new sample, because it helps make the sample more efficient and easier to find things, but also because now that we're finished with our sampling effort, we want to try to take a clean net back to the lab. So we will, before we leave today, go up and have a rinse of some things by the building up here before we load them back into my truck. Now let's flip it back over again, which y'all just do it the same way. There you go. All right. Now, while you still got it held up, go ahead and be rolling yours up, both ends. Roll it up, roll it up. There you go. All right, hand yours to Max, and then you roll them up together. And you help keep it spread out here, Mallory, while he's rolling both. So give your pole to him. There you go. Now, try to shake it off a little bit. All right, guys, so basically what we're doing here is assessing the eastern red-spotted newt population here at the Clay Hill Pond. And in so doing, we're collecting data, including the sexes of the individuals that we're seeing in the population, so we can get a sex ratio. We're also weighing them to help determine what size classes might be represented here in the pond. In addition to that, we'll give each of these a look over to see if we notice any injuries, perhaps if we notice any kind of tumors or cysts on the surface of the newts. Because amphibians are such a great environmental indicator, they are a way that we can keep tabs on the health of our ponds here. So we're going to go ahead and continue with our data assessment here on the population of eastern red-spotted newts. We're certainly glad you guys could join the CU ecology class here at our outing at Clay Hill Memorial Forest.